Honorable Mr. Justice Dr. T. Amarnath Gour, Honorable Judge High Court of Tripura, the chief guest of this occasion. Honorable Mr. Justice Vishwajit Palit, Honorable Judge High Court of Tripura, the guest of honor of this occasion. Honorable Mr. Justice U.B. Saha, Mr. Justice S.C. Das, Mr. Justice Ajit Chattopadhyay, former judges of this High Court of Tripura, Mr. Shaktiman Chakraborty, Landed Advocate General, Tripura, special guest of this occasion. A very good evening to all of you. It is my profound honor as Chairman of the Bar Council of Tripura to welcome each one of you to this celebration of National Advocacy Day, a day of pride, reflection and rededication of the advocates. We observe this day on 3rd December, the birth anniversary of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of our Republic, a distinguished lawyer, a freedom fighter of unmatched integrity, and a constitutional jurist to whom this nation owes enormous gratitude. In India, Advocates Day is observed on 3rd December each year. Bar Council of Tripura is honored to celebrate this auspicious day for the first time today. Bar Council of Tripura have requested different bar associations across the state to observe Advocates Day, and I convey my deepest regards to all the bar associations across the state for observing the same in their respective bars. Starting from today, this legacy would be carried forward by the stakeholders of justice, integrity, dedication, that is the advocates. This day is celebrated to honor and recognize the contribution of advocates in upholding justice, rights and the rule of law. Advocates Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was born on 3rd December 1800. Since he played a pivotal role in the framing of India's constitution and later as the nation's first head of state, his legal legacy and commitment to justice is seen as emblematic for the legal profession. On Advocates Day, the legal community, that is the advocates, the lawyers and the associate professionals, take a moment to reflect on their role in safeguarding justice, legal rights and upholding the values of the Constitution. It is also an opportunity for the community to emphasize the importance of access to justice, legal awareness among citizens, and the ethical responsibilities of the advocates. Role of advocates in India is also unmatched. Many lawyers have played crucial role not only in the courts but also in social reform, freedom struggles, nation buildings and constitution framing. By highlighting this, Advocates Day is a reminder of how the legal profession is interwoven with the political, social and moral fabric of the country, not just as a career but as a duty and responsibility towards justice and equality. Today, we come together not merely to honor a day but to celebrate the legacy of the legal profession, its ideals, its responsibilities, its unwavering commitment to justice. A few days ago, our nation celebrated Constitutional Day on 26 November. It is an appropriate reminder of the sacred document that binds us all, that is the Constitution of India. For lawyers, the Constitution is not merely a text, it is a living promise. It entrusts us with the responsibility to defend rights, upholding